looking at Scentlok's Ozone chamber bag. This is the rolling chamber bag. So it's got the handle on it with wheels. You can pull it along real good. As you can see, it's huge. It's got a compartment on each side, and plenty of room to store all your hunting gear. Along inside it is a ozone machine, and it pumps through hoses throughout the chamber bag to keep all your clothes and accessories scent free. As you can see, there's a lot of space in it, and it's really, if you're going to be having your clothes in your car, it plugs into a lighter. It'll plug into the wall, whatever you need. So it's really versatile, and it's a great addition to improve your hunt and make you a better hunter. And if you get over to Scentlok right now, these right now are 50% off. So I'd head over there and get me one.